India Company. In 1600, the East India Company acquired a license to trade from Queen Elizabeth I of England. It bought goods at a cheap rate from these countries, transported it to Europe and sold it there at a higher rate. The East India Company was the most powerful corporation the world has ever seen. Let us take a brief look at the other trading companies that came to the Indian shores. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, discovered a sea route to India in 1498. He was the commander of the first ships to sail directly from Europe to India. The Portuguese traders landed in the western coast of India and established themselves in Goa. This competition resulted in fierce clashes between the trading companies, sinking of each other's ships, blocking routes, prevented rival ships from moving with supplies of goods, conflict with local rulers.